Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you it's huge earring collection of mine. I don't know how long it will be, but I try to show you guys all of my earrings. So the thing is, I just thinking from when actually I collect the earrings, and then I remembered that when I was like standard 3 or 4, from that time to till now I just collect earring from everywhere, like yes, everywhere, from Kolkata to Durgapur, Esplanade to Goriahat, Village Fair to online store, everywhere. I'm just obsessed with this. So yeah, before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe, like and share. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, then this is the handle. Please go check it out. And yeah, let's just start the video. So as you can see that there are 1, 2 and 3 boxes of earrings, and I have also another pouch. So and there are some small earrings everywhere. I don't know where are they, or sometimes I also don't found them. So yeah, in the first box it contains all the small to medium size earrings, and I wear it daily basis. Okay. And in the next box, yeah, this is ice cream box. So I have some oxidized like heavy earrings from party or wedding, or yeah, and I have some stoned earrings in this bag, actually makeup bag, and in this pouch I have some studs. Okay, so first I am starting from this. First I have some geometric shapes earrings like square and big hoops and a hexagon type. I don't know you can see or not. And there is another ring, I mean hoops. And there is a star shaped hoops. So I just like this geometric shape earrings because it goes to every outfit, you know. So yeah, and I just bought this some from the Esplanade, because you all know that they are selling this like hot cake. I mean, yeah, these all are rupees 30. Other hoops in black. So bought this from Esplanade for rupees 30. You can guys see that this is so beautiful. This is the piece, guys. Look at them. These are so beautiful. And I also bought this from Esplanade. Yeah, for rupees 30. So there are maximum earrings I have there just in rupees 30, and I just bought them from Esplanade or Goriahat or Hathi Bagan maybe. And this is another black earring, you can see. This is the earrings, you can see. And I bought this from Bakuda. And the price actually I don't remember, because from when I was like standard 6 or 7, then I got this. So I just forget the price. My brother gifted me. This is so beautiful, and the color is, and the earrings age is now like 12 years, and the color is not fade away. Actually it is so good in quality, and till now it is just so beautiful. So I have some same earrings in different colors, and this is for rupees 30 from Hathi Bagan. And this is छोटू सा earring है जो मैंने इस लोकल मार्केट से ही खरीदी थी, लेकिन कब मुझे नहीं पता. My best friend gifted me, and this is handmade earring, you can see. Yeah, so this is the piece, and its color is so intense and it doesn't fade away, and it's like 2 years or 3 years old, and it is same like before. I have this owl earring, and I bought this from the local fair, like Bostromel yeah, something like that. Peacock earrings, and this is so beautiful. You can guys see that they are a black stone finishing, and the color is so intense. This is also I bought for rupees 30. Yeah, it is also for rupees 30, and I bought this from Esplanade. This is the earrings, but the color is gone, and it is like 11 or 12 years old, and I don't know where I and when I wear this. The earrings, this is also very old, and you can guys see that the color is gone, and it's not like before anymore. It's like golden in color, but the golden color is gone actually. And there is another earring that is blue. I have this stud actually. So next I have these studs, blue in color. You can see this is so beautiful. This is the rose shaped stud, and this is also a blue stud, but the stone is just gone. This is also so beautiful. I bought this from Madhya Pradesh, and this is so unique. Next I have also these hoops, and this is also from Esplanade for ₹30. Next I have this beautiful black chain. It just goes for every outfit. It is good. So this is the piece. This is a stud and butterflies. These are my most favorite earrings. How many times I wear this, I just can't remember now. The gifted earring by my friend. So next I have these beautiful golden color earrings, because I have very small amount of golden color earrings because I don't like the golden color. Actually I like very much silver. Now, this is very old actually, like 7 or 8 years old, and the color is fade away in somewhere. Next I will show you guys my most favorite, actually one of my favorite earrings. So this is pom-pom earrings, and I just love it guys. See how beautiful they are. And next I have this Chotu Sa earring stud, and I bought this from Hatibagan for ₹40. Yes, it is 2 years old, and till now I didn't wear it. And this is the Chotu Sa jhumka, and this is so cute. I just daily basis I wear this. I got this from a village fair. And this is also a beautiful piece of hoops, like crystal, finished with crystal. You can see the color is black. The color is gone actually. It's not in good health. Till now I didn't wear them, and this is a beautiful piece. It goes for any Indian dresses. This is the earrings which have also a set like coin necklace, and I just got this with them. It's also a gifted earrings from my sister-in-law, and she made this. Yes, you can see this is so beautiful. And also I have in this shape. This is also a gifted earring by my sister-in-law. Yes, and I got this from Rajasthan for rupees just 25. So this is the piece. I don't know from where I got this. I just forget. This earring is actually my mummy's, and she just gave me this. I have these beautiful stud earrings made of stones, sky in color. I bought this from Esplanade maybe for ₹30 again. I bought this from Shimla. You can see that the earrings is so beautiful, maroon in color. This love shape earrings. These beautiful earrings, silver in color, and it's just a coin. I pair up it with every outfit, like it goes so well guys. And there is also beautiful earrings of leaves, and also I have leaf earrings like this, and I bought this from Rajasthan. Peacock earring. I have these jhumkas, this white color, and there is another earrings. This is also came with a neck piece, and I will show you the neck piece collection in another video. Black color earring. This is finished with stone, you can guys see. The white color earrings, and I don't know where I will wear it and when I will wear it. And it also goes well for every outfit. Indian outfit or the western outfit, it just goes very well. Yeah, so this is the piece, you can see, and this is also very old, but the color is intense till now. This is the piece and the color is still very good in quality, and the pearl is also good in quality. Oxidized pink color earrings for just 30 rupees. I have these ear cuffs. I just bought this from Flipkart, I guess, or Amazon maybe, for 175 rupees. Black hoops. This is, and these are some geometric shape like triangle earrings. Next I have these beautiful black color jhumkas for rupees 30 again. You can see that crystal finished earrings, small. The earrings of white stone. Earrings is also very old. This earrings is also gifted by my brother. I just bought these two pair of earrings together. Okay, I don't know from where I got this. The earring, I bought this from some village fair, I guess. You can see this is so beautiful tassel earrings, and I got this for just rupees 30 or 40 or 60 maybe, I don't remember. This is a tassel earring with this mirror work in the middle. So I bought this from this local fair, and for 160 or 180 rupees. Yeah, this is so beautiful, and it also in 30 rupees. I just buy this for 30 rupees. The piece, guys, this is white pearl. So let's count how many earrings are in this box. I have the 80 pieces of earrings in this box. Next I have this earrings box. So I have the heavy jewelry, as I said earlier. So you have seen these beautiful pieces of earrings in my earlier videos. So yeah, this is the piece, and this is made by my sister-in-law, and she is beautiful at her work. Again a beautiful piece which is also made by my sister-in-law, and this is the piece, guys. Look at them, they are so stunning. Actually they are handmade and gorgeous. Beautiful multicolor earrings, and I bought this from Esplanade. This is the piece, you can see this is oxidized and this is handmade. Yeah, I bought this for just rupees 30 in Durgapur Kalpataru Mela. I also bought this from Esplanade for just rupees 30. Yeah. So next I have this, one of my favorite earrings, and I bought this for rupees 165 from this local fair. And this is the piece, you can see how beautiful they are, and the color is so intense till now, and this is the piece for just 2 or 3 years old, I guess, and the color is still now, it's gorgeous. So next I have these beautiful earrings. I also got this from the Durgapur Kalpataru fair, and this is the piece, and this is also 13 rupees, and till now I don't wear it, and may in future I will wear this. And this is a beautiful piece, and I got this from my maternal house, and the price is, I guess, 80 maybe, or 140 it can be. So I don't remember the actual price. So next I have one of my favorite earring. I bought this from Esplanade, 30 rupees. Yeah, so this is the beautiful piece. See how beautiful they are. Yeah, I bought this from local fair actually for 30 rupees again. A piece of earrings, the owl earrings. I don't know from where I got this. Yeah, so this is the piece, so beautiful. And next I have this mirror work small medium size earrings. Still now I don't wear it. Multicolor thread work earrings, and I bought this from my sister-in-law. Bought this. This is again a thread work earring. They are actually like very bad health. The color is totally dark, and earlier this is not in this color. They are actually still color, but the day by day it's gone. Like remain my favorite earring sometime before, and this is a tassel earring. I think this kind of earring everyone has like this type of tassel earrings nowadays. I have these earrings, again thread work multicolor, and last in this box I have these earrings. This is still in color. And yeah, so I will count 19. So next I am going to the third box, which have the stone collection. So this is the box, you can see. So at first I have this beautiful golden color sky stone earrings. I bought this from Esplanade for 150 or 200 rupees. I bought this for my brother's wedding, sky in color earring, and you can see these beautiful blue in color earrings. I have like 2 pairs of it, actually not like the same. This is one pair and this is again same blue in color. I got this from Esplanade for 100 rupees. Either earrings, you can see. I didn't wear it till now, but this is so beautiful, and the price is like 30 or 60. Stone earrings, you can see this is so beautiful, and I got this from local market for just rupees 210 or 220 maybe. My favorite earring, this is so stunning, you can see, but the color is going to darken day by for just rupees 110. And next I have this beautiful earrings, and I also got this from local market. You can see this is so beautiful, and the color is till now so intense, and I also got this from local market for rupees 220 or 250 maybe, and this is the same pattern. You have to wear it and then you can style it with your hair, or you can just put it behind in your ears. Okay, long earrings. Yeah, this is the piece. You can see this is so beautiful and just so simple it is. And yeah, I just bought this from local market again, and the price it was like 150. This is a beautiful piece, and the price was 130. There is 132, but I bought this from just 120 or 130 maybe. Then next I have this again beautiful blue in color, navy blue actually, stone earrings. Yeah, my mama got me this, and I don't know the price. Her choice is very beautiful. Again, this piece was bought by my mama. One red and one black in color, the same piece. This is the piece, and you can see the stone glaziness is so beautiful till now, and it's don't yellowish. And sometimes what happens, the stones, the white stones become yellowish after its contact with the sweat or air connection, but this is very good in quality. I bought this from Durga Puja fair in my maternal's house, and this is the same piece in beautiful yellowish color earrings, and this is so beautiful guys. You can just look at this. Yeah, this is so beautiful, tassel earring and mirror work in the center. And I also bought this in the local fair, and the price was 165. The piece also my mama bought me this. It's blue or grayish in color, and this also bought by my mama. This came with a neck piece. Yeah, some earrings. It also a gifted earrings. It also came with a neck piece. This is small stone earrings for daily wear. Yeah, this is the piece, and there is another small daily wear basis earrings, and this is also another one. You can see the piece, and another one. Cute. So let's count how many earrings I have. And 27. Yeah, that's it. So next I have this pouch, and I have all of my studs here. So I bought this from Club Factory. Yeah, you can see these are all my studs. So this is the earring collection you guys have seen. So if you like this video, then please give me a like, share if you can. And I am very tired right now because you can see the video is so long, and I don't know how will I edit it, but yeah, see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay safe, and bye bye.